happens then? I'll find out. Is that a threat?
No, it's the law, sir.
It's the law? It's the law that I'm going to find out.
I'm going to sue the shit out of you guys. I've been waiting for this. I watch all these First Amendment videos, and this is what I've been waiting for. I got you, motherfucker.
Corey Firestone.
Corey, you got an idea, sir?
I do not. Could I ask you why you're pulling us over today?
Did you use
For a seatbelt?
Weren't you listening?
Welcome back to CT3, where we highlight clips and I'll recap with a few educational pointers to ensure your rights aren't violated on your next encounter with a cop.
You know what we should do? I'm just curious, did you guys just recently get a call for 200 St. Paul Street? You just got the call? I'm just wondering. You might want to go in there and kind of educate those ladies a little bit and those security officers in there. Yeah. Nothing really. I mean, they just refused to identify themselves and shit like it. Tried to kick us out of the building and all that other. So, you might want to go educate them.
What exactly happened, Joe?
I already told you.
Huh?
I already told you what happened.
No, tell me again, please.
I just did tell you what happened.
No, tell me again, sir.
Is your body camera on?
My body camera's on right now, sir. So tell me again what happened, sir. Since you came up here, now I'm going to do my investigation, sir.
You're going to do your investigation?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now. So tell me what happened, please.
Oh, hold on.
Educate somebody. I'm going to get their version. I'm getting your version.
Yeah. Oh, you already have their version?
No, I'm getting your version. I'm going to get their version.
Oh, okay. Well, we went in and dropped some paperwork off.
Where was this?
This didn't, did I just not tell you 200 saying you just told me you got the call for there?
No, my camera's on now, so I need to tell me again. Thank you.
Nah. I told you once already.
Okay, so let me get your identification.
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you again. Get my identification?
Yeah, 'cause I'm doing
For what?
investigation, sir.
For what?
Because something happens when you get
So, so I'm not gonna give you my ID.
Oh, is that what you want to do?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
So then I just get a summons for you for refusing to participate in a police investigation.
Refusing to participate in a police investigation? Guys, share this out. Sure. Oh, we matched the description?
Yeah.
You didn't know that when we pulled up.
Okay, but now I know now.
But now you know now because we matched the description?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
White shirt with a,
Well, if you were responding to it, why are you parked here?
because I'm turning around, sir. Because the
Oh, you're turning around?
Yeah.
Yeah, you drove right by it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm not giving you my ID.
Okay, you don't have to give me ID,
Yeah.
sir. I'll just get
Yeah.
the identification, then I'll just get a summons for you. That's
Yeah, sure, you do that. You can contact the AG's office and ask Wendy Schiff what my identification is. Why not? Why not? You'll ascertain it on your own.
Yeah, I'll get it on my own, sir. Since you refuse to participate in the police investigation.
What's that? What's that? If I refused, wait a minute. No. Okay, you'll get it on your own. And what happens? What happens then?
You'll find out, sir.
I'll find out.
Flick my cigarette.
No, ash it.
I don't want to get.
You keep that cigarette in here. Yeah. Give me that fucking cigarette.
So that's cool.
I didn't want to get it on you.
It's not cool, bro. It's not cool.
Okay,
You
so-
coming up into my car.
I'm not coming to your car.
You got out of your car and you came to my car and then you asked me for my ID for no goddamn reason. So you're gonna find the fuck out. You understand? You understand that?
I will find out. I sure will.
Okay.
I will find out.
Ask Wendy Schiff who I am.
I'm asking you. And you refuse to give it to me, sir?
I am refusing to give you my ID. So now, what happens once you get it? What happens then?
You'll find out.
I'll find out. Is that a threat?
No, it's the law, sir.
It's the law? It's the law that I'm going to find out. Really?
Yeah,
The law that I'm going to find out.
exactly.
I'm going to find out what happens when I don't give you ID for not committing a crime.
Do you understand
Is that-
what I'm saying, sir?
Apparently not, because you're threatening me by I'm going to find. What am I going to find out?
I'm telling you the law. I'm doing an investigation.
What am I going to find
What is the
out?
Fourth Amendment?
What
What is the Fourth Amendment?
You tell me what the Fourth Amendment is.
No, you tell us, you big dumb.
Okay, I'm a big dummy.
Yeah, you're a big dummy.
Yes.
You're a big
Yeah,
dummy.
you ain't gonna do nothing.
You're a big dummy. Big dummy.
Anything else you'd like to say, John?
You big dummy.
Anything else?
Sanisi. Is that how you
Say it correctly. Senesi, sir.
Senesi?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
1, 2, 4.
What am I just want to know what I'm going to find
You'll
out.
find out, sir.
What am I going to find out, bro?
Are you gonna give me that
Are you threatening me?
It's the law,
Are
sir.
you threatening me?
You refuse to
What are you
participate
threatening me
in
with?
this investigation.
What are you threatening me? Oh, go, you could pound sand, you
Law that we got to participate.
you fucking clown. Hold on.
We'll go from there.
Are we really? We're going to go from there? Oh, so I'm free to leave? I'm free to leave now?
Whatever you want, sir.
Well, you wanted my ID, so I'm assuming you were detaining me.
So, no, are you giving the ID, yes or no? You said no, correct?
Are we detained?
Are you giving the
Or
ID?
am I detained or not?
I'm doing investigative stuff.
Are
so-
we detained?
You're doing an investigative stop?
What crime do you consider?
Are you
What
fucking
crime
stupid?
do you suspect
Hold on, why did I take that off here?
Again, this was
What
just,
crime
What?
do you suspect us of
this was
committing?
going to be a simple talk. I just want to know what happened.
What
That's it.
crime
It was gonna
do
be
you
a
suspect us of committing?
Okay. A disorder, sir. I'm trying to
A disorderly.
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 Complainant.
Lauren's the complainant for disorderly?
I'm going to find out.
Oh, you better find out. You better find out.
It's going to be a simple conversation with you.
It was going to be civil until you asked me for my ID and you told me you were investigating
Yes,
me.
I'm investigating. Yes, I am. So you want to give me the ID, correct? So that's good.
Yeah. Oh, that is good?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good?
You get in my own, then I'm going from there.
All right, and then you're going to go from there.
I sure will.
So what am I going to find out? That's all I'm trying to ascertain from you, officer, is what am I going to find out? Yeah?
When it comes to your house, you'll find out.
When it comes to my house? So you're actually planning on charging me with something?
Yeah, refusing to engage in
You do that.
You're
You do that. Now, please do that. Please, I'm begging you. Please do that.
You're gonna fucking charge. What's the charge gonna be? What charge is that?
So I've actually
What?
refused to give you ID.
What charge is that? Can you tell me what charge refusing to give you my ID for? It's the law, so there should be a charge.
If you're not going to
Stop.
give me ID, I'm going to go away and do my business, okay? Have a good day, Tim.
You're not gonna tell me what you're gonna charge me with, but you're gonna charge me. He already did. He already did. He said I'm free to go. Free to fucking go. Free to go. So, that's the car that he's parked behind. 15938. 1593881.
Get it right. Get it right.
Disorderly.
Excuse me. Get away from my car, sir.
What?
Sir, get away from my car. Excuse me.
I'm sorry. Why you gotta get all up on me like that? Why you gotta get all up on me like that? Come on, bro. Stop acting like this. Quit acting like this. Why you acting like this, man? Huh? Yeah, you are. You got all huffy and authoritative and.
This is my job, sir.
This is your job to act like this? Yeah. To threaten me with charges for not giving you my ID? It's the law. It's the law. It's the law. I'm looking forward to those charges. Looking forward to it.
The officer demanded ID without having any reasonable suspicion of a crime, an overreach that directly violates the Fourth Amendment. Under Hebel Vizov 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, you're only required to identify yourself if the officer has reasonable suspicion that you've committed, are committing, or are about to commit a crime. Filming in public doesn't meet that threshold. The officer's claim that refusing to participate in an investigation is a chargeable offense is pure fiction. There's no legal obligation to assist an officer's fishing expedition. Demanding ID without lawful cause is not only unconstitutional, it undermines public trust in law enforcement. If there's no crime, there's no need to identify. Officers know this, but often rely on intimidation tactics to extract information they're not entitled to. Even more concerning was the officer's vague threat to find out the individual's identity through other means. This reeks of retaliation, a direct violation of citizens' First Amendment rights to criticize and challenge law enforcement without fear of repercussions. Retaliatory threats or charges are unconstitutional under Houston versus Hill, which protects speech aimed at law enforcement as long as it doesn't incite immediate violence. In the end, the officer had to let the citizen go, proving there was no legal justification for his demands. Let's keep going.
Just tell me what happened.
No, you need to talk to him. I don't got nothing to say.
Well, that's our job, so we get your
I understand your job.
Okay.
Again, I'm not going to keep repeating myself. Talk to him. He's the one that called you, not me.
So you don't want to tell us what happened?
I'm not going
Your
to. I
side
don't
of the story?
I don't have a story to tell. I don't tell stories.
Okay. So I said
go.
that you cut him off?
I did not cut nobody off.
Okay.
Again, ask him. We're in a fucking drive-thru at McDonald's. It's not that goddamn serious. So, that's what I'm telling you.
I can
And
completely understand
if he wants to make a big
frustration.
deal out of nothing, that's on him. I'm not frustrated.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem. That's why I'm driving away. I didn't.
Okay. Do you have your license on you?
Yeah, but you don't need it.
Yeah,
you don't?
we absolutely do,
No,
sir.
no, man.
Ya la necesita.
You got it messed up.
You are involved in
Nope.
investigation.
I'll go investigate. No, you don't. I didn't do nothing. I didn't commit a
Sir,
crime.
you're absolutely.
Negative.
Yes, absolutely.
That's a negative, man. You're not gonna get it.
Please don't interfere with the investigation because they won't have to put you in jail.
Jake been in jail, man.
Well, I
George,
mean, that's the thing is
no
we
te
don't want to
bajes.
get
Take me
you
to
in
No
jail.
te bajes.
You're violating my rights.
No te bajes.
Hey,
You're interfering
No
with
te
the investigation.
bajes.
there is no investigation.
That's where we're
No
Listen.
te bajes.
Listen.
No te
Listen.
bajes.
Listen.
I understand.
I'll go to jail because you're gonna violate my rights. Yeah, you are. It's my First and my Fourth Amendment rights.
Hold on.
You understand?
Listen.
Because he's trying to
You're
take me to
getting
jail
upset.
over not
No,
identifying
listen.
myself.
Yes,
Are
because
your
you're in
body cam's on?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I don't see the red light on yours. Is it on?
Yes, sir. It's on.
So
Okay.
listen.
Make sure you got it because I will sue the shit out of you.
Let me explain something.
I will sue the shit out of you
Are
guys.
you
There is
gonna
no
let me
crime
explain?
committed.
Are you gonna let me
There is
explain?
no crime
Are you gonna
committed.
let me explain?
No, because there's no crime
Okay,
committed.
well, give us
You
your
understand?
ID.
I don't need to give you my ID. I didn't do
100%.
nothing. There's no
Okay,
crime
go ahead, sit
committed.
down.
Yep, no problem.
George,
No problem.
really?
Yep.
Are you
sue him.
serious?
Just don't stop recording. We're
We
gonna
get
sue
the
him.
reason for why he's
We're
being
gonna sue him. We're gonna
why he's
sue
being
him.
arrested.
I need your supervisor.
Interfering with what
I need your
investigation?
supervisor. I need your supervisor. Don't stop recording.
No, we do.
Can you
Hey,
hurry
it's
up?
going to be tight. Can you put your arms a little bit
I
closer?
can't.
Okay.
Can you go double up? Get the supervisor right here. Don't stop recording.
He's on his
Yes,
way.
ma'am. You violated my rights. I'm going to sue the shit out of both of you. What's your name and badge? No, sir. There's no crime
We
committed.
just need to.
So is
identify
that
you.
a
All you
misdemeanor
have
or a
to do
felony?
is
Is that a misdemeanor or a
if you
felony?
would just not
Is that a
interfere with the
misdemeanor or a felony?
investigation.
I don't care.
Listen,
There's
listen.
no investigation.
Listen,
Your
there is an
investigation starts there.
Right.
I'm going to give you what's your name and badge number for the record.
Hey, it's Officer Carmen, 757.
Yours?
Officer Bailey,
Thank you.
720.
Are you
Because
willing
I'm
to
gonna.
listen to us
No,
now?
I'm not. I want your supervisor. I don't want to say a damn word to you guys.
Okay.
And I'm going to sue the shit out of the city of Roy City.
Okay.
Not a problem. Not a problem.
Actually, hold on, wait, let me catch you down. Okay. Want to face up there?
And then it's and I don't condense. I don't
Can you face up
search
there?
and seizures. Okay, so remember that for the record.
Okay.
I'm
If you
suing
have
the shit
anything
out of
on
you
you,
guys. I've been
you
waiting
have
for
anything
this.
on you?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. You don't have anything on
I don't
you?
answer questions. I don't answer questions. What part of that do you not understand?
Okay. Well, you're not
I'm gonna sue the shit out of you guys. I've been waiting for this. I watch all these First Amendment videos, and this is what I've been waiting for. I got you, motherfucker. You guys waiting.
All you had to do is
I don't gotta do shit. Go investigate. You don't need my fucking license for what?
identify you as
Look,
being
you don't need to
involved
identify
in
me.
that.
Shit, I didn't do nothing. That's not a crime.
We don't know that, sir.
No, there's no crime.
Okay, well,
There's no. What's the crime? What is a crime? What are they calling for?
disturbance.
Disturbance of what kind of
Disturbance of
disturbance?
his peace, that's it. He's
Well,
just
what?
bugging.
A what? It's verbal? I mean, is that that's not physical?
That's what we're
There's no crime. I'm trying to.
So you're being overly aggressive and we're just
No,
trying to
because
explain the
you guys
situation.
don't need my fucking ID. What part of that don't you fucking understand? God damn, you guys are fucking stupider than I thought. I don't want you fucking. I want your goddamn supervisor. You guys are stupid. That man trying to argue with his daughter in his car, and I told him shut the fuck up and back away. That I saw my daughter.
And that's f***ing crazy. Why is he still sitting over there all free when he's the one that caused the disturbance?
That's why we're trying to get you out of the story. Okay, listen, I'm gonna explain it. Will you let me explain it to you without you? Huh? I'm not cop explaining it. I'm explaining it to you. No, I'm not. So whenever there's a call, listen, just listen to me. So you don't have to
Solo gotta be some fucking bullshit, man.
But why?
Y usted también, ¿por qué se ponga fastidioso?
I know. Yeah, relax.
It is the way the law is. Okay, so are you gonna let me explain it to you now, or are you gonna argue? If we actually are. Okay, so listen. The way it works is there was a disturbance, okay? And so whenever we put it on a disturbance, we ID everybody involved. Okay? And yeah, that is the way it works. That's part of our job.
No, because
We're not gonna listen. We are out here for a disturbance. We're figuring out what the disturbance is.
He caused the disturbance.
That's why we're trying to investigate to figure out. Exactly. And nothing needs to happen. And nothing needs to happen. Absolutely not. I'm done listening.
He's the one that called. That's where your investigation started.
And it did start there.
No, it's not. They cut this guy loose.
Hang tight.
Listen, we don't want to take him to jail. We just need him to identify himself. That's it. So whenever we have an investigation, all we do is we gather both parties' IDs, and it's for our notes, okay? It's for our case notes. That's all we do. That's all we wanted was his information. And then whenever you don't give us your ID, right now he's impeding our investigation. We're unable. So you have to identify yourself. That's a law, okay? So that's what I'm trying to explain to him. We just need his ID to identify him. We don't want to have to take him to jail. It's the last thing we want to do.
That's not what we want.
That's it. Is there a way you could talk to him? We don't want to have to take him to jail if we don't have to take him to jail. No? Do y'all want to tell me what happened?
It started with him.
It's not a crime. That's the thing. Is it like you guys arguing with not a crime?
It started with that man.
Okay. Exactly. I understand. And I understand. So all we were going to come do is come and diffuse the situation.
You need to talk to him.
Exactly. And we had an officer over there talking to him.
Well, I can't tell you nothing else.
We're just trying to figure out what happened. That's all we're doing is identifying.
Well, he's going to tell you what happened because he's the one that caused everything. Okay,
so you guys don't... Your failure to ID because you want us to talk to him, but he's already been talked to.
I mean, he's the one. That's who you need to talk to.
Okay, but he's already been talked to.
Well, I don't know what's going on.
We're trying to get your side of the story. That's what
we don't really have a side to tell if he's the one that made the call. He said everything, so whatever he said.
Okay, so he made the call. So you tell me why he would have made that call.
That's his issue. Do you see him? He's doing about 3 or 4 turns while we're just standing in line. That's his issue. So go ahead and get his side of the story.
Yeah, he's the one that got all aggressive, and
we don't need a side of the story because we didn't do anything.
Okay.
Right.
He's the one that's, I don't know what's wrong with him.
Damn, did it close? Shit.
Don't stop recording.
Ajá, calmado, calmada, yes, tenemos.
Incident number, and I need everybody's names here.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. So why am I in handcuffs? Over here, please, for the record. Why am I in handcuffs?
You're being detained for investigation.
Okay, but you don't detain people in handcuffs.
So
okay, because Karen over there called you guys. I heard him see if he's got warrants. I avoided him. Okay, this is not the answer. And then this guy right here, Mr. Bailey, demanding my ID for no crime. Investigation starts there. He would have told you the story that there was no crime committed.
Why is he leaving?
Right?
He's so aggressive.
Why are you leaving in handcuffs? No, you don't. Not physically. Not physically. Not like this. Want me to put you in handcuffs of what you did to me? You violated my rights. It's not arguing. Shut the f up and get in your car. You're dismissed. Get me out of these handcuffs. Sir, get me out of these handcuffs, please. Okay. This is not right. Okay. I did nothing wrong. It was an argument. That's it.
Why did he leave?
What's your first name?
You don't need to know that.
What would you like to be called?
Good citizen.
Okay, good citizen.
Yes, sir.
So, here's the deal.
There's no deal. Just explain to me, please. Get me out of these handcuffs. Okay. I don't want to be in handcuffs.
We're not taking handcuffs. You're not gonna get crazy with me. Or
I'm not getting crazy, sir.
Hello.
I don't get crazy. I don't get crazy. I don't get crazy. This is crazy. What you guys did to me. Okay. Look at it, in front of the whole world, in front of my family. You want me to do that to you guys?
Hold on, sir. Just relax.
Fucking stupid, man. Stupid, non-professional people, man. What you guys dealing with, man?
Yeah.
And I need an incident number, please, and everybody's name that was involved, even that man, because I'm suing his too for calling you guys. Look at that. Look at that. You guys recording that?
Mm-hmm.
Animals. I'm gonna put you in torture cuffs. I need an incident number, please. Stupid. And you're leaving before I leave. I'll sit there all and then you got to dismiss. Yeah. Get better at your jobs.
You're good. You can get out of here.
If somebody doesn't give you ID, doesn't mean you put them in handcuffs.
Have a great day.
You go yourself.
You need anything from me?
No, sir. I thank you for being professional. Teach these stupid something.
All right.
And it's no disrespect to you. Okay. But when they come, they got to do an investigation. Look what they did. Look what they did to me.
So
but they don't need to do that, sir. You understand? So I'm just letting you know right now, for the record, I'm suing the shit out of you guys for what they did to me. Okay. I'm suing the city. I'm getting a lawyer. I've been watching all these videos of this kind of stuff here, and it was just videos. Now I've been involved in it. This changes the narrative for me personally. Okay. All right? Because I know my rights. She just violated my Fourth Amendment right.
Okay.
The officers demanded identification without reasonable suspicion of a crime, blatantly violating the Fourth Amendment. Under Texas Penal Code 38.02, an individual is only required to identify themselves if they are lawfully arrested, not simply detained. Being involved in a verbal disturbance doesn't meet this standard. The claim that failure to ID is a crime during an investigation is outright false unless the person is a suspect in a specific offense. Courts have repeatedly held that police cannot coerce ID without reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. What we saw here was feelings-driven policing, not law-driven enforcement. Additionally, the officers' threats of future repercussions for refusing to provide ID are retaliatory and infringe on the First Amendment. Citizens have the right to challenge and record public officials, especially during interactions like these. It's infuriating to see how quickly some officers resort to physical restraint when they don't get the answers they want, answers they're not even entitled to demand. Eventually, the supervising officer clarified the law, acknowledging the mistake and confirming that refusal to ID was not a crime here. And let's keep going.
I'm gonna let him know that.
Oh, shut it off.
No. This is for all of our safety. How do I flip this the other way?
Good.
Good. Why aren't you wearing your seatbelt?
It doesn't fit.
You can't be driving then.
Well,
pretty common sense there.
It doesn't fit.
Okay, do you have your license registration?
Yep.
Just because it doesn't fit doesn't give you the privilege to drive.
I should get a seatbelt extender for it, honestly.
They make those at Walmart. Who you got with you, sir?
Corey Firestone.
Corey, you got an ID on you, sir?
I do not. Could I ask you why you're pulling us over today?
Did you
for a seatbelt?
Weren't you listening?
Could I ask you where the victim is in this?
I'm not even gonna get on with it, okay?
All right. I was just wondering.
Post, we'll have this conversation all day long.
Thank
and
you.
You'll lose all day.
Thank you, officer.
Well, no, I just don't understand.
I just got a seatbelt ticket because you're being a...
Well, it is what it is.
Hey, Corey, what is your passenger's name again?
Corey Firestone.
Corey Firestone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just so I can jot down my daily, who I spoke to and what.
The reason I have issues with law enforcement like that is because, like, the issues that I had with Sanilac County when they want to put someone in protective custody, and nothing against this individual officer, but this right here, when they pulled you over, and the presumption that you might get in an accident or whatever, but it gave them an excuse, quote unquote, probable cause to pull you over, but that was unwarranted, that right there. They're literally searching and seizing your identification and running your name without a warrant. He's breaking the law is what he's doing. He's not upholding the Constitution. He's breaking his oath.
Yeah, I'm getting a seatbelt ticket.
I'll cover it. I'll pay it for you. Just out meeting their quota. That's all.
That's all it is.
It's Labor Day weekend meeting their quota. It was a reason to pull you over, and there was no crime committed. There was no victim involved. You know what I'm saying? He had no justification. There was no misdemeanor committed or felony committed in this. He could have said, "Sir, hey, could you just throw your seatbelt on? Have a good day."
Right,
you know, that simple. To ask you for your ID for no reason. No, he had zero cause to ask you for your identification or registration or my name for that matter. I don't have anything to hide. I'm just saying it's a waste of time. Like, you know. I am going to upload this to my YouTube page.
Okay, Corey, let me explain, okay, sir? What I have to do is per state legislation who abides the
You
law.
might take it.
No, I gotta explain it so I don't get in trouble, okay? Just 3 to 14 days, contact the court, okay, sir?
For what?
Do the seatbelt, okay?
No.
I understand that this officer had a legitimate reason for the traffic stop. However, why do you think the cop is making sure he got the passenger name correct? It's not because of a report, it's because he's going to run his name for warrants, even without a date of birth. And trust me, if anything comes back under his name, the cop will have dug deeper to try to match the identity. We do have the 8th Circuit Supreme Court case, Stufflebeam v. Harris. The court concluded that an officer can request ID from a passenger, but if the officer has no reason to contact the passenger regarding any sort of investigation, the passenger is not required to provide identification. Keywords are request ID and required not to provide ID. In this situation, the officer had no reason to contact the passenger, so no reason to ID him.
But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Again, make sure you use the links in the description to go check out their channels and show them some love. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next episode.